Alright, so you can see from the image on your screen right now, this one, that's like the, oops, that's the card section, right? And that's at Walmart. And you can see from that one, they have all these greeting cards there. And it's pretty cool because all these greeting cards were put there because the Walmart buyer thought that they were pretty good. So you can go there and you can find cards from, you know, dad to son for birthdays or whatever it may be. And some of them are like the mushy stuff that you want to get. And you can then just like take a picture with your phone of the card of the inside. And that is what you can use on a necklace. So this way, if you don't have a Walmart in your country, because I know there's people from around the world on the course, go to the drugstore. Go to I know up here we have like Rexall and Shoppers Drug Mart and all that stuff. So if I go to, I don't know if somebody took a picture of it, but probably not. Yeah, like you, I mean the Walmart one was better. Shoppers Drug Mart. No, apparently people only took pictures of Walmart, which is fine. You get the idea. So the cards that you'll find here and you take little pictures of, this is really good because the main reason, like I said, the buyers for Walmart know there's limited shelf space, so it's kind of like you've already got access to the best of the best. So the sayings in there, you're not going to do the whole thing. You probably just pluck like a sentence or two and throw that on a necklace. As far as I know, you're good from a trademark point of view because you're not using the whole thing. You're not using their style. You're not using anything else. I've never run into an issue with it, but it's just a great way to get even inspired. If you don't take the exact sentence you get, you can take inspiration from it, create your own sentences. And sometimes 100% of the time, the unique stuff that you do will work 1,000 times better than sayings that everybody else has already done. So that leads me to the next thing for offline. You can create your own sayings. Just go and brainstorm nice things that a dad could say to a son in this case, and jot them down and make a list. And you can literally create those on a necklace and test it out, see if it works. Because where do you think all those other sayings came from? Somebody thought it up. Maybe it was a writer. Maybe it was just a greeting card person or whatever it may be. But that's where they all come from. Same place, somebody's brain. So why not your brain? So there you go. That's your offline research. Go ahead and do that and think of some on your own too.